how to print Google Calendar. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also, don't forget and make sure to watch our previous tutorials and videos, and also watch our sorted playlists for each app. And let's get started. So first of all, what's Google Calendar? Google Calendar is a digital calendar used by people in order to organize their life. People use them to organize just events, and other people like me use them in time blocking and organizing the days. And if you need to print your Google Calendar page, just follow these steps. Go to the settings menu from here and click on print. And now you can customize your page before printing. Here is the final page. As you can see, it tells you that there are total pages. You are going to change the print range from here and choose the days from and to. Then choose the view if you want it to be day or week, or to be set to be automatic, and choose also the font size from here. You can choose between the smallest, smaller, small, normal, big, bigger, and the biggest. You can also choose the orientation from here if you want it portrait or landscape, or let it to be decided automatically. You can also choose the color and style from here if you want it to be full color or black and white or just outline. You can also choose and tick if you want to show the weekends. As you can see, that's what happens when we untick it. And also you gotta choose if you want to show your events you have declined before printing. We're gonna untick it and click on print. Now the printing window opens for us. You can now choose the destination where you want to print it from here. You can choose the printer from here, or choose to save it as a PDF. You can also choose the number of pages or the range of pages you want to print. You can also choose how many pages you want to be per sheet, and then click on here save or print if you have connected a printer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.